of me, but somehow managed to run away. Somebody should have warned me not to breathe, and somebody should have told me not to wear my heart out on my sleeve. That can't be good for you or me. Days go by and old men sigh. Days I've seen you pass, and nothing seems to last anymore round here. Like the calm before the storm, you settle gently, but I'm torn. You've always been a part of me, and someday maybe we shall see. And days go by and